Guys, welcome back to NFT Info. For today's video, we are going to show you how to fix NIU portable charger not charging. So if you're interested, let's start our tutorial. In this case, you might be wondering, how do you fix this issue here? Well, fixing it is fairly easy, but there are a few things that you need to try here in order to solve this issue. So in this case, in order for you to solve this issue, you could try a hard reset, which is in this case, there are two ways that you could go away, or in this case, go with the reset process. So first is via a cable. So what you need to do is you need to take a USB cable, either USB or micro USB, depending on your charger, and plug one end into the input port and other end into the USB-A output port. Then leave it connected for about 15 to 20 seconds. So usually it's going to be in this area here. Now this should initiate the reset cycle. Now you could also use the power button to do a hard reset. So alternatively, you want to press and hold the power button and for around like 16 seconds if you can. So this also triggers the reset process or the reset cycle. Now after doing one of these reset, your charger should be back to normal, because sometimes there might be some process interrupting your charger here. So resetting them can actually solve a lot of issues. But in this case, that's about it. So hopefully this video is able to help you. Like and subscribe to NFT Inspo. Thank you for watching.